Hi viewers, welcome to my classroom and I'm Ms. Kumu. Today I'll be presenting on the methods for pre-university learners writing apprehension levels and their writing quality. According to Cheng, writing anxiety is a relatively stable anxiety disposition associated with second language writing, which involves a variety of dysfunctional thoughts, increased physiological arousal, and maladaptive behaviors. According to Latif, writing anxiety is a situational specific anxiety. In order to seek answers to the research questions guiding this study, quantitative and qualitative approaches were included. In the design, the quantitative data type is the basis and the qualitative data provides a supportive or secondary role. The quantitative method preceded the qualitative method in terms of data collection. The use of mixed methods in this study was to ensure that the limitations of one type of method are balanced by the strengths of another. This study employed a non-random sampling. Convenience and purposive sampling were administered in this study. Convenient sampling was used because the institution administration kindly given access to conduct the study but was unable to give permission to get a list of all learners in the organization. In addition, this sampling method helped to get the sample size needed in a relatively fast and inexpensive way. The convenient sampling ratio was determined by the formula of sampling given by Karanji and Morgan, 1970. The present study consists of all the registered pre-university level science stream learners pursuing one-year program in a complete and up-to-date course register for the academic year 2016. Based on the formula calculation, at least 317 samples from the approximate total population of 1,800 should be used to conduct the data collection for the survey design of the study. Therefore, the sampling size of this current study was 320. On the other hand, purposive sampling was used to group the participants according to pre-selected criteria relevant to objective of the study. The evaluation of the sample size was based on reporting requirement of Research Question 9. Research Question 9 was to look at the writing quality of high and low apprehensive writers. Therefore, those under average score was left out of the study. According to the result, there were 96 and 39 high and low apprehensive writers. Based on the objectives and findings, the number of participants was derived from the number of learners which fell under selected category very high and very low. These 30 samples selected provided adequate data to compare the writing quality differences between the high and low apprehensive writers. Three instruments were employed in this study. First, second language writing apprehension inventory. Secondly, a writing test. And thirdly, analytic scale of argumentative writing to evaluate the writing quality of the learners. Second language writing anxiety inventory is a scale which measures the anxiety level in second language writing. It has 22 items with a 5-point Likert scale ranging from strongly agree to strongly disagree. It has 3 levels: high, medium, and low, and 3 dimensions: somatic anxiety, cognitive anxiety, and avoidance behavior. A total score of 65 points indicated a high level of writing apprehension. A total score below 50 indicated a low level of writing apprehension, and a total score in between indicated a moderate level of writing apprehension. It is worthy to mention that Dr. Yeo Shao Cheng, the author of Second Language Writing Apprehension Inventory, had given a kind permission to use this instrument. Argumentative writing is tested in MUET examination to determine the pre-university learner's proficiency level in second language writing. As content validity is considered important in the writing test, the topic was chosen based on the material learnt previously. In this study, the writing test reflected the content of the writing component in the pre-university learners. The writing task that was being used in this investigation is an argumentative writing developed for Malaysian University English Test by the Malaysian Education Ministry. And the topic selected for this study was people are becoming more materialistic. They are concerned with making more money and what money can buy. What is your opinion on being materialistic? MUET 2008. First of all, the topic was chosen because the particular topic had not been tested or practiced in their language classroom. A different aspect related to material and finance was what learners discussed and practiced in their MUET course workshop. The duration of the timed task is 50 minutes. The quality score was measured using the analytic scale of argumentative writing. The scale was selected because it has clear descriptors and meets the objectives in this study. The scale followed an equal weight scheme for subscales of content, organization, language conventions, vocabulary, and overall effectiveness. The scale diagnosed 5 levels of performance: excellent, competent, modest, basic, and very limited. 2 English lecturers were selected by the researcher based on their extensive experience in rating MUET writing scripts. They had a minimum experience of 10 years in teaching English and MUET for pre-university learners. Moreover, both the raters have been appointed by National Examination Council as MUET examiners since 2008.